Hey there, Kim here, and today I want to show you something that's been a complete game changer for me. At 54 years old, working a full-time job, handling families' stuff, I didn't think I had time to make an additional income. But then I discovered something incredibly powerful, and that is evening side hustles. The best part was just working as little as 2 hours a day. I've been able to earn an extra $4,200 a month while working a full-time job, while taking care of my family. These are not jobs that you have to stay up until 1 o'clock in the morning, because trust me, I'm past that stage of life. These are simple, realistic side hustles that you can do during quiet evening hours when finally things just slow down. So if you're working full-time, taking care of your home, your family, and life is pulling you in 1,000 different directions, and you think that you don't have time to build something on the side, this video is for you. Today I'm going to share with you 7 side hustles that you can do at night, including one that's generating the most income for me right now, freelance writing. So if you are a writer, this is perfect for quiet evenings. Businesses need content created, and they don't care when you do it, just as long as you do it. Income can range anywhere from $20 to $75 per hour, depending on experience. And the best part is, if you are over 50, you already have writing experience. You already know how to write an email, reports, presentations, and you can get started on platforms like Upwork, Contently, or Freelancer. You can go to those websites, create an account, and then just search for jobs that you can do. Next side hustle is virtual bookkeeping. This is detail-oriented work that's perfect for quiet hours because small businesses need help with their finances, and this obviously can be done completely remotely. Income can range anywhere from $25 to $55 an hour. So if you've managed budgets or tracked expenses at your job, or you already know how to do it, then you already have a foundation of this. Now, to look for jobs, you can go to platforms like Bench, Bookkeeper, Launch, and Upwork. Next, we have online tutoring, because evenings are when students need help. You can tutor from home and earn anywhere from $15 to $60 an hour. And if you've already raised a family or help kids with schoolwork, you've already have the patience and teaching ability. Income for this could be anywhere from $15 to $60 per hour, depending on the subject. And to find jobs, you can go to platforms like tutor.com, Preply, or Wyzant. Next side hustle is social media management, and social media doesn't stop, as we know, and businesses need help managing it. So you can earn anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per month per client. You don't need to be an expert, just learn basic scheduling tools and start small. You can create the content and schedule it ahead, so you can create it at night or weekends, but then you can actually schedule the content to actually post. For this, you can earn, again, anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per month per client. In fact, a friend of mine, this must have been over 10 years ago, had 2 clients paying her $2,000 a month. So she was earning $4,000 a month just with 2 clients, and that was over 10 years ago. If you want to find clients, one way to do that is LiveWorld, as well as icuc.social.com. Next, we have customer service chat support, because most companies have support 24/7, so if they're looking for people to work at night, you can earn anywhere from $12 to $20 per hour, and obviously the companies are going to train you. You can visit websites like LiveWorld, The Chat Shop, and Mod Squad to learn about part-time evening positions. Now, side hustle number 6 is one that I highly recommend if you have the patience to create and sell online courses. Because here's the thing, you spent your entire life doing something, learning skills. You can actually turn that into a course, and your income potential could be literally limitless. But you can start your course as little as $27 and sell it, depending on what you're offering, of course. You could sell it for $297 or $497, because your life experience becomes your product. Best part is you earn 100% profit from selling your own course, because you don't have to pay anyone. So to publish your course, you can go to sites like Teachable, Thinkific, and Udemy, and it's a great way for you to earn passive income. And the good thing is, you create the course one time, but but you can keep selling the course over and over again. Now, I want to be really honest with you for a second. All these side hustles can work, and they do work because people are making money with every single one of these. But there's something that I noticed, and that is most of them require you to trade time for your money. And they have limits on how much money you can earn unless you want to work hours upon hours at night. And that's where I personally got stuck because I didn't want another job. I didn't want more hours. I wanted something that could actually grow. So the seventh and most powerful is digital or affiliate marketing. And this is the one that changed everything for me because instead of trading time for money, you're building something that can work for you even when you're not. And the reason why I chose this avenue is because I didn't want another job. I wanted something flexible. I wanted income that could grow, and I didn't want to trade my time for an hour. So the way this works is you spend 1 to 2 hours every single day creating content on social media, maybe TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn. You share helpful ideas that actually help people. You link to a system, and the system is what does the selling for you, which if you ask me is the hardest part. So you only work 1 to 2 hours a day, but the system is working for you 24/7 a day. So here's my 1 to 2 hour a day schedule. For me personally, I like to get most of my work done when I'm done my job. So the way that works is I maybe create 3 short form videos, could be as little as 7 seconds on TikTok. So I do that a half hour before I start my job. Then during my lunch hour, I spend an hour or so replying to comments, replying to emails, answering questions. And then after work, I spend about an hour. Maybe I'm creating a YouTube video. Maybe I'm going live. But if you don't have time to do it before work or during your lunch break at work, totally cool. You can do this after work. So again, my results, my best month, $4,200, working completely part-time, consistent growth. And this is scalable income. And this is working around my job, working around my family schedule. So here are all 7 side hustles at a glance, including their income potential, if you want to screenshot it. So if you've been trying to figure all this stuff out and trying to figure out what makes sense for you, I actually created a guide that I walk you through the 24 most lucrative side hustles that you can start this year. And you know what? If you're going to do a side hustle, why not do one that's going to make you the most money for your time that you put into it? So if you want that guide, it is free in the description below. And here's the thing, I give you 24 of them. The goal is for you not to do all 24 of them because if you try to do it, you're going to become overwhelmed. The goal is for you to start with 1, master it, and then if you have time, maybe pick up another one. So again, make sure you grab that in the description below. If you like this video, please give it a don't forget to subscribe if you want more videos on side hustles. And YouTube is recommending this video, so I highly recommend that you watch that too. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.